Guys, it's me, Racerade, and for today's video, we're going to do a full review of Wealth Aura Funded. So yeah, this platform is actually powered by artificial intelligence, and right now it's being positioned as one of the first prop firms that is fully AI generated, which is honestly very interesting. And if you're into AI and trading combined, this might really catch your attention. So what makes Wealth Aura Funded different? Well, they focus on helping traders through education and precision together, which is something not all prop firms really emphasize. They're trying to blend smart AI technology with structured trading programs, and that combination can really help traders level up. And yeah, they also offer different features designed to support both beginners and more experienced traders. Now let's talk about the trading conditions, because this is where it gets exciting. They offer up to 100 times leverage across all instruments, which can really take your trading potential to the next level if managed properly. Of course, with higher leverage comes higher risk, so you still need solid risk management. And that's something every serious trader should always keep in mind. Another big advantage here is that they have no time limit on their challenges, which removes a lot of pressure compared to other prop firms. They also have something called the Aura cycle, which adds a unique structure to their system. So yeah, you're not being rushed to hit targets within a tight deadline, and that can really help traders stay calm and focused. And honestly, trading without time pressure can improve performance a lot. Now let's move on to the accounts they're offering. Soon they'll be launching instant funding, which means traders can get funded right away without passing a challenge first. That's definitely something to watch out for, because instant funding models are becoming more popular in the prop firm space. But for now, we're going to focus on the two main plans available, which are the one-step program and the two-step program. And understanding these two is very important before you decide which one fits your strategy. Let's start with the one-step program. So as the name suggests, it's just one phase, meaning you only need to pass one stage to become funded. You can start with account sizes ranging from $5,000 up to $100,000, which gives traders flexibility depending on their capital goals. The profit target is 10%, so you need to hit that target to qualify as a funded trader. And yeah, that target is achievable if you have a disciplined trading system. Now, in terms of risk rules, they have a trailing drawdown of 6%, which you definitely need to monitor carefully. They also have a maximum daily loss limit of 4%, so risk management is absolutely key here. The minimum trading days required is 5 days, meaning you cannot just hit the target in one day and withdraw immediately. And the leverage offered in this program goes up to 1 to 30, which is still very reasonable for structured trading. The good thing is there's no time limit, like I mentioned earlier, so you can take your time reaching the profit target. They also allow news trading, which is a big plus for traders who specialize in volatility events. On top of that, they offer fast payouts and 24/7 support, which is something traders always look for in a reliable prop firm. So yeah, overall, the structure seems designed to balance opportunity with risk control. And that's basically the overview of the one-step plan, guys. In the next part, we can break down the two-step program and compare which one might suit different types of traders better. So if you're serious about getting funded, make sure you understand these rules clearly before jumping in. All right, so now let's talk about the two-step plan. As the name suggests, this one has two stages that you need to complete before getting funded. The good thing here is if you're on a low budget, you can actually start with an account as small as $1,000, which makes it very beginner friendly. And of course, if you want to aim bigger, you can go all the way up to $100,000 depending on your trading goals. Now, in order to pass this challenge, you need to complete both phases successfully. For phase one, you're required to hit an 8% profit target, and once you pass that, you move on to phase two. In phase two, the profit target is 5%, which is slightly lower, but still requires consistency and discipline. So yeah, you really need to stay focused throughout both stages if you want to secure that funded account. One important rule you need to pay attention to is the overall drawdown, which is 10%. You should never exceed that limit, because once you go beyond it, your account will be breached. So proper risk management is absolutely critical here if you want to stay in the game. They also have a maximum daily loss of 5% and a minimum of 5 trading days, which means you cannot rush the process even if you hit the target early. The leverage offered here is up to 1 to 30, which is the same as the one-step program. You still get access to their tools. And yes, news trading is allowed, which is a huge plus for traders who like volatility setups. They also provide fast payouts and 24/7 support, so assistance is always available whenever you need it. Now, when it comes to choosing your account, you can simply decide whether the one-step or two-step plan fits your strategy better. After selecting your preferred account size, you just click on Start Challenge and proceed to checkout. During checkout, you'll need to fill in all your personal information carefully and make sure everything is correct before submitting. And yeah, accuracy here is important to avoid any delays in getting your account credentials. After filling in your details, you proceed with the payment for the account size you selected. If you have a coupon code, you can enter it during checkout to receive a discount, which is always a nice bonus. So yeah, make sure to check if there are any available promo codes before completing your purchase. Saving a little extra capital can actually help your overall trading journey. Now let's talk about how to actually succeed here. Of course, before anything else, you need to continuously develop your trading skills and improve your strategy. They provide academy resources, interactive materials, AI analytics, virtual classes, live streams, and more to support traders in their growth. So it's not just about passing a challenge, it's also about becoming a better and more consistent trader. To pass your evaluation, you need discipline, consistency, and solid risk management. You have to hit your targets while proving that you can protect the account and trade with precision. It's not just about big wins, but about controlled and smart execution over time. And honestly, that's what separates funded traders from gamblers. Once you pass the evaluation, you officially become a funded trader. From there, you can continue trading and keep up to 80% of the profits you generate based on your performance. So yeah, the real goal here is long-term consistency because that's where the real income potential starts to build. And if you treat it like a business instead of a quick flip, the opportunity can really grow over time. Now, aside from the challenge models, you'll also see that they have ecosystem benefits, but one more thing I really like is their Wealth Aura reward system. So yeah, they actually give out loyalty tokens that you can earn, and you can collect them by completing tasks inside the platform. And honestly, that adds a gamified experience which keeps traders more engaged over time. They also have loyalty tiers, which means the more active and consistent you are, the more benefits you unlock. You can spend your tokens within the platform, so it's not just for display. It actually has value inside their ecosystem. So that's a pretty smart way to reward traders who stay active and committed. It makes the whole experience feel more interactive rather than just a basic prop firm dashboard. Because at the end of the day, choosing the right program can really make a huge difference in your trading journey. So grow within the Aura ecosystem. They have the trade and engage. You can earn Aura they have consistency and engagement and luck points, exclusive perks, and high reward gears. They have here to redeem your Aura for real benefits. So you will see that they have different opportunities that you can get also here, like exclusive access and networking connect with our Alliterators Here exchange. Strategies, they have Aura Incubator. Also, they have international events that you can be able to join, and they have mentor resources, personal branding, and social growth and private ecosystem here. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of traders already worldwide, and we're hoping that, Aura of Undead would stay in the long run because they are the first AI prop firm that offering this one okay. So if you have any question, guy, please don't forget to go on your website and check all of the information. Now let me show you inside the account so you can see how it actually looks. As you can see here, I already have a $10,000 account that I need to pass, and this one is under the two-step challenge. So yeah, this is a real example of how the dashboard works, and it's always better when you can visually track everything in front of you. Inside the account summary, you can monitor your performance in detail. You'll see your initial balance, your current equity, and the overall status of your account. They also show your average holding time, win rate, total profit, number of trades, trading days, active days, and more. So everything you need to evaluate your performance is already organized in one place. You can also track your drawdown limits very clearly. For example, you'll see your daily drawdown, your maximum drawdown, and how close you are to those limits. That's very important because it helps you stay disciplined and avoid breaching your account. And of course, you can also monitor your progress toward the profit target to see if you're close to passing the challenge. Now let's talk about the competition feature. They recently had a competition in March, although registration for that one is already closed. The account size for that competition was $100,000, and around 318 participants joined the program. So yeah, that's actually a pretty competitive environment for traders who want to test their skills. And what's really interesting is their AI Trading Lab feature. Inside this section, you can calculate and analyze your performance in detail. You'll see all the statistics related to your account and how you compare in terms of trading performance. This is where artificial intelligence evaluates your discipline, risk management, execution, and overall consistency. In the AI Trading Lab, you can see your exposure levels and even a skill map. It analyzes whether you're impulsive, patient, strong in entries, or maybe weak in exits. So it's almost like having a personal trading coach reviewing your behavior. And that kind of feedback can really help traders improve faster. There's also a daily brief section where you can track your profit and loss status in a clear format. Everything is summarized in a way that's easy to understand, so you don't feel overwhelmed by numbers. And honestly, that helps you stay more aware of your performance on a daily basis. You can track your account status directly inside the platform without needing to subscribe to any external tools. Unlike other platforms where you need to pay extra or register somewhere else just to monitor your stats, here it's already included for free. You can track your profits, your losses, and basically everything related to your trading inside the NL calendar. So yeah, it gives you a clear visual breakdown of how you've been performing day by day. And honestly, having that kind of transparency helps you become more accountable with your trades. Now there's also something called the Rule Guard feature, and this one is coming soon. I'm actually hoping they release it very soon because this could really benefit traders in a big way. It's an AI-powered rule monitoring and protection system that notifies you when you're approaching or violating trading rules. And you know how important that is, especially when emotions start kicking in during live trades. What's nice about this Rule Guard system is that it includes real-time rule alerts. You'll also see a visual overview of your rule adherence across your accounts, which makes it easier to stay compliant. They even mentioned auto protection features and a custom rule builder, which sounds very advanced. So this could act like a safety net while you're trading, especially if you're still working on discipline. Next, let's talk about Aura Intelligence. If you're a fan of AI, then you're definitely going to like this part. They integrated artificial intelligence into their ecosystem, and you can actually chat with the AI directly. And yeah, this is where things get really interesting. For example, if you need motivation before trading, you can literally ask the AI for encouragement. If you want guidance on how to improve your strategy or risk management, you can ask that too. It will provide information and insights that can help support your trading decisions. So it's almost like having an assistant available whenever you need it. This AI feature is designed to help traders enhance their skills, improve discipline, and become more aware of their decision-making process. It's not just about numbers, it's about behavior and mindset as well. And honestly, mindset plays a huge role in long-term trading success. So yeah, having AI that supports both technical and psychological aspects is actually a strong addition. You can also check the economic calendar directly inside the platform. This allows you to stay updated on high-impact news events that could affect the market. And as traders, we all know how important it is to be aware of major economic releases before entering a position. So having that integrated into your dashboard saves you time and keeps everything centralized. On top of that, you can monitor your payouts, complete your KYC verification, and access your certificates all in one place. Everything is organized inside your account, which makes the whole experience smooth and user-friendly. And yeah, convenience like this really matters, especially if you're managing multiple trading accounts. So overall, when it comes to the accounts offered by Wealth Aura Funded, I think this could be a solid option for traders who want to improve their skills with the help of AI technology. It's not just about passing a challenge. It's about building consistency and discipline with smart tools backing you up. And if you're serious about long-term growth, this kind of system could really support your journey. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something valuable from this review. Thank you again for supporting the channel, and I truly appreciate every single one of you watching. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or reach out directly to Wealth Aura Funded for more details. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.